As we know, dreams the most, does the most. And so far as all the spacecrafts have taken only cosmonauts to the space, I dare to dream of a spacecraft which can fly ordinary people to the space, starting from a child to an old person. It is something like a tourist spacecraft. I have planned a unique spacecraft which can take about 50 people to the space for about 15 days. And it's my dream to run my own spacecraft, and I want all to take inspiration from the two great souls, Sri Kalpana Chawla and Sri Sunita Williams, and I especially want all the women to co-pilot me. So let's begin our voyage with my dream spacecraft endeavour. First of all, I would like to inform you about some of its specialities. My dream spacecraft endeavour is designed to operate both with and without a crew. And since streamlining is not necessary in the high vacuum of the space, its shape will be designed according to its mission, which is space exploration. And about fuel, since most of the spacecrafts are not self-propelled and they are given the necessary high velocity with the straight rockets which are jettisoned when they are being used up. But in my spacecraft, I will use 3 onboard liquid fuel main engines supplied with a disposable external tank and a pair of solid fuel boosters. I have also planned to use nuclear fuels in it. And the nuclear fuel can be free from any disaster by using hardcore rocket engines. Now about its internal power. When my spacecraft will reach the space, it will use solar cells, strong batteries, fuel cells or a combination. And I have also planned to use a thermoelectric generator in it, which will be heated with a radioactive element. Now, since my spacecraft is a dream spacecraft, you must be wanting to know what are the travel routes. On the first day of our journey, it will take us to the ISS, International Space Station, also known as Naik. There we can experience zero gravity, which is barely impossible to replicate on Earth. Then, as we have to forward our mission, our next destination will be Mother Earth's natural satellite, Moon. As the present scientists research so that there is no air and water on Moon, so along with our spacesuit, we have to take breathing and temperature devices and also a radio link with the spacecraft. And our next destination will be Mars. And while going towards the Mars, we will be able to see many asteroids, meteors and comets. And in Mars, I hope we will see many dry river beds, as the scientists conclude that rivers once flowed on Mars. And I hope if we will see any aliens there, then we will surely share our culture and invention with them and give them an invitation to come to our planet. And I wished that my spacecraft could go to all the places of the Milky Way and even through the black hole. But I guarantee that if my space trip will be successful, then this will be the most precious moment of each traveler's life. And about safety. As recently there was an accident with Kalpana Chawla and her co-members which made them immortal, I have taken utmost care regarding its safety. As we know, when an object enters the Earth's surface, it gets extremely heated due to friction. So its outer tiles will be made of high heat resistant materials. And about selecting people. In my spacecraft, along with the cosmonauts, scientists and the children, I am taking the children along with the scientists so that they can take inspiration from the scientists and can become future scientists. And before going on this trip, my passengers will be trained how to sleep in a vertical position, strapped with their beds, and how to leave by only taking one space capsule. And one important thing, they must do exercise to be fit in the space. Now I want to make an appeal to the government of the whole world and all the philanthropists that the complexity of design of my spacecraft needs a huge venture. So they should please invest in my spacecraft so that it can take ordinary people to the space and fulfill their dreams. At last, I want to give a general thought that a spacecraft may not reach all the places of the Milky Way, but human imagination can do. And my dream spacecraft endeavour will be a trailblazer to transcend human imagination. It it will be an encouragement and inspiration to all those who want to devote their life to space. I hope it will be a trail to be followed by the space community forever. Thank you.